Our thematic report, Developing Respect and Understanding, considers the quality and impact of relationships and sexuality education in schools and pupil referral units by drawing upon evidence from visits to primary, secondary, all-age and special schools and pupil referral units. We spoke with pupils, staff and leaders, and we observed learning sessions, assemblies and focus groups to help us understand how providers are planning for relationships and sexuality education, how well teachers are delivering learning sessions, and how provision is shaping young people's lives and supporting them to make informed and respectful choices. Our findings reveal a strong commitment to pupil well-being across schools and PRUs. In many cases, respect, kindness, inclusion and healthy relationships were embedded throughout school life, not just taught in lessons. As a result, most pupils reported feeling safe, valued and able to seek help if and when they needed it. We noted that many teachers provided worthwhile and engaging learning experiences for children and young people that explore important themes such as respect, emotions, attitudes, diverse families, children's rights, healthy and unhealthy relations, prejudice and tolerance. Nearly all children and young people told us that they enjoyed learning about these topics and valued opportunities to talk and share their ideas. Strong partnerships with health professionals, police officers and community organisations are helping schools respond to the issues that young people face today. But the report also highlights important challenges. While many schools provide effective supports, progression in learning is not always clear. Sensitive topics such as sexuality, consent, gender identity and harmful gender stereotypes are often taught inconsistently. Many staff told inspectors they need greater confidence, training and support to address these complex issues safely and effectively. Our evidence points to clear next steps. Less focus on simply covering topics and more focus on deepening understanding as children and young people grow. By strengthening progression, improving professional learning and embedding inclusive themes throughout the curriculum, schools and PRUs can help young people develop the knowledge, confidence and skills they need for adulthood. Discover the full findings, recommendations and many examples of effective practice in the new report on relationships and sexuality education in Wales, which is available on our website.